Small private jets have become increasingly popular due to their affordable price, low operating costs, and easy maintenance. Despite their compact size, these jets do not compromise on comfort and offer a luxurious experience that is comparable to larger jets. As the demand for private aviation continues to rise, the market value for small private jets has also increased significantly, surpassing $8 billion and is projected to exceed $12 billion. This surge in demand highlights the need for light business jets, which cater to the growing number of individuals seeking private air travel. So let's take a look at some of the smallest private jets in the world to better understand their appeal and functionality in meeting this demand. Embraer Phenom 300. Known for its exceptional sales performance in the light jet category worldwide, the Embraer Phenom 300 is a remarkable aircraft that spans 51 feet in length. First introduced in 2009, this Brazilian aerospace marvel has seen over 700 units manufactured, offering unparalleled luxury and private travel for discerning travelers across the globe. It can be operated by a single pilot, reducing the cost associated with employing two pilots. Featuring more powerful engines, spoilers, winglets, and an elongated cabin to accommodate more passengers, the Phenom 300 is a twin-engine cantilever monoplane with low-positioned swept wings. It is powered by two Pratt & Whitney Canada turbofan engines mounted on pylons at the rear of the fuselage. The Phenom 300 can carry up to 11 occupants and reach a maximum speed of 534 miles per hour. With a range of up to 2,313 miles, it offers extensive travel capabilities, but is limited in its ability to fly non-stop across the North Atlantic Ocean. For those willing to invest $11 million, a brand new Embraer Phenom 300 can become a prized possession. Cessna Citation CJ4. Cessna has manufactured numerous larger jets for personal and business use. However, the Citation CJ4 is specifically designed for personal purposes. It is the seventh model in the Citation series and was introduced in 2006. With a length of 51 feet, this particular model is the largest within the CJ family, while still being one of the smallest jets in the industry as a whole. Similar to other Cessna Citation jets, the CJ4 showcases a sleek wing design and is powered by two Williams FJ44 engines. This private jet can be operated by a single pilot and has the capacity to carry up to 10 passengers. It also boasts an impressive maximum cruising speed of 519 miles per hour and a range of up to 2259 miles. Early models of the CJ4 are priced at around $5.50 to $5.8 million for resale, while later models can exceed $7 million in value. Embraer Phenom 100 EV. Few people know that the Brazilian manufacturer Embraer is the third largest producer of civil aircraft in the world, after Boeing and Airbus. One of the planes that solidifies their standing in the industry is the Phenom 100 EV ultralight executive jet, designed in 2005. Measuring just over 42 feet in length with a wingspan of slightly more than 40 feet, this aircraft is powered by two rear-mounted Pratt & Whitney Canada PW 617F turbofan engines, each generating a takeoff thrust of 1,695 pounds. These engines feature dual full-authority digital engine controls, and in the event of a single engine failure during takeoff, an automatic performance reserve function boosts engine output to 1,777 pounds. It has a range of 1,178 nautical miles and can reach a high cruise speed of 406 knots. While its range may not be as extensive as some other jets, it is sufficient to cover the distance from New York to Miami. The jet has a standard seating capacity for 5 passengers and 2 crew members, and a brand new Phenom 100 EV is priced at $5 million with a low operating cost of around $2 per mile. Eclipse 700 Canada. The Eclipse 700 Canada was developed by the American company One Aviation as an improved light jet compared to its predecessor, the Eclipse 500. It offers faster speeds, better range, and higher altitude capabilities, along with flexible features tailored to its owner's preferences. The Eclipse 700 is larger than the EA 500 series, with an external length of 33 feet, an external height of 6.5 feet, and a fuselage diameter of 5 feet. Powered by two Williams FJ33 engines, the Eclipse 700 achieves a maximum cruise speed of 383 knots and a travel range of 1,470 nautical miles. A new Eclipse 700 costs approximately $3.5 million. Bombardier Learjet 35. The Bombardier Learjet 35, which was manufactured by a Canadian aircraft company between 1976 and 1984, is possibly the oldest jet on the list. Measuring 49 feet in length, it is considered one of the smallest private jets available. During its initial release in 1973, it was known as one of the fastest medium-haul jets of its time. Even in 2024, it continues to hold the record for the highest number of sales among all Learjet aircraft, with many still in active service after 5 decades. Equipped with two Garrett turbofan engines, the aircraft's cabin can be configured to accommodate 6 to 8 passengers. With an impressive maximum range of 2,425 nautical miles and a top cruising speed of 470 knots, it offers exceptional performance. Production of this aircraft ceased in 1994, with a total of approximately 738 planes built. Today, a used Learjet 36A can be purchased for less than $500,000. Eclipse 500. While Eclipse Aviation faced the possibility of going out of business in 2008, many of its assets continue to exist, including the Eclipse 500 aircraft. Since its introduction in 2006, numerous units have been manufactured, including an upgraded version called the Eclipse 550. Measuring just over 33 feet in length, this jet can be flown by a single pilot and carries up to 5 passengers, making it one of the most intimate private jets available. Its compact size and lack of an onboard lavatory make it feel akin to a flying sports car. Despite its small size, the Eclipse 500 can reach a maximum cruising speed of 425 miles per hour. However, its operational range is somewhat limited, covering only 1,295 miles. Production of the Eclipse 500 was limited to just 2 years and halted in 2008 due to funding challenges, but over 260 jets were successfully constructed. These aircraft were priced at $1.5 million for a new one and had an operating cost of approximately $209 per flight hour. Beechcraft Premier IA. Destined to compete against the Cessna Citation jet family, the Beechcraft Premier IA light business jet was developed by the Beechcraft division of Hawker Beechcraft. The aircraft is one of the smallest in the industry, with an external length of just 46 feet. Inside the cabin, there are 6 adjustable seats arranged in a club configuration. In cases where the cockpit is set up for single pilot operation, an additional passenger can accompany the pilot, bringing the total capacity to 7. It was one of the first private aircraft to use a potbelly design, which allows the main cabin to be competitive with mid-sized aircraft while still classified as a light jet. Production of this aircraft ended in 2012, with more than 290 units built. It has a top speed of around 526 miles per hour and a maximum range of 1,645 miles. Stratos 714. Although Learjet has been in existence for many years, this particular private jet is one of the most recent additions to the market, having made its debut in 2016. It is also noteworthy for being one of the smallest private jets on our list, measuring just under 26 feet in length. However, Future models may be slightly larger, as Stratos Aircraft has expressed intentions to increase the interior space by adding 31 inches to the fuselage area. Additionally, there is a possibility that the aircraft may undergo a name change before it becomes widely available, as at present, Stratos Aircraft lacks the necessary funding for full certification. Nevertheless, the Stratos 714 shows great promise, particularly for a small private jet. With a maximum cruising speed of 460 miles per hour and a range of up to 1,800 miles, it may have a shorter range compared to some other planes, but it is still impressive considering its compact size. Honda Jet. When you think of Honda, you probably don't immediately think of aircraft. However, it might surprise you to learn that the Japanese company began exploring the world of small business jets back in the 1980s. The initial ideas for the Honda Jet started taking shape in 1997 and were finally completed by 1999. Subsequently, the Honda Jet successfully made its first flight in 2006, but it wasn't until 12 years later that it obtained its FAA type certificate. This aircraft, with a length of 42 feet, features a composite fuselage and an aluminum wing, accommodating approximately 7 to 8 seats. Its propulsion is provided by two GE Honda turbofans mounted on pylons positioned above the wing. It has a range of up to 1,223 nautical miles and can reach a maximum speed of 421 knots. It has received numerous accolades for its design and innovation in the aviation industry, solidifying its place as a prominent light business jet. Learjet 45. The Learjet 45 is a business jet aircraft of medium size manufactured by the Learjet division of Bombardier Aerospace. The aircraft was specifically designed with a flat floor cabin and a non-circular cross-section to provide additional headroom. The typical interior arrangement includes 8 passenger seats arranged in a double club configuration, along with a fully enclosed toilet that can also be used as a 9th seat, and an adjacent baggage area with a capacity of 15 cubic feet. This 58-foot aircraft is equipped with Honeywell turbo engines, allowing it to handle a heavier load and achieve a greater cruising speed of up to 535 miles per hour. With over 600 of these jets currently in operation, it has a range of 1,968 miles and is priced between $1.5 and $4.9 million. Cirrus Vision SF-50. The Cirrus Vision jet holds the unique distinction of being the sole single-engine jet to receive certification from the FAA. This remarkable achievement led to it being honored with the prestigious Robert J. Collier Trophy, which recognizes significant contributions to American aviation. Measuring just 31 feet long and standing under 11 feet tall, it also boasts a wingspan of 38 feet. It may be small, but it packs a punch when it comes to speed and range. With a maximum cruising speed of approximately 445 miles per hour and a range of about 1,440 miles, this jet can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, including the pilot. The price tag for the Cirrus Vision jet falls in the range of $3 to $3.5 million, making it one of the most affordable private jets in the industry when compared to other models like the Embraer Phenom 300, which costs around $10 million. Since receiving its certification in 2016, over 450 Vision jets have been delivered to satisfied customers, highlighting its popularity within the private jet sector. Flaris LR-1. Once it obtains certification, the Flaris LR-1 will become the world's smallest private jet, measuring 26 feet long. Developed in Poland, this particular jet may not be as well known as others on the market. It has an impressively low height of only 7 feet and can accommodate 4 passengers and a pilot. The aircraft is so small that it features detachable wings, allowing it to be stored in a garage rather than a hangar. Unlike many jet-powered aircraft, it is claimed to be operable from unpaved runways and grass strips. It incorporates various safety and convenience features, designed with a ballistic rescue parachute system, with one parachute installed in the tail and another in the nose to aid in the safe recovery of the aircraft. Priced at €1.8 million or $2 million, this aircraft is forecast to have direct operating costs of $450 per hour. It has a cruising speed of 430 knots, a range of 1,900 nautical miles, and a maximum takeoff weight of 3,300 pounds. It will also be able to take off and land on grass airstrips and short runways of less than 820 feet.